Hey there, it's Brittany. I'm back with an unboxing video. I purchased some new things from Bargain Bead Box. Well, actually their sister site, beadboxbargains.com. If you subscribe to their monthly bead subscription, you get a coupon every month for 30% off of any orders that you place at their sister store. I'll leave a link below to their subscription and their website if you're interested in subscribing. It's my favorite bead box monthly subscription. I'm just gonna grab some stuff here. So I got these and I don't remember. Oh, okay, they're called center drilled lampwork glass flower pendants. I got aqua, sapphire pink, and light teal. So I'm thinking this one's sapphire. Sorry, something under my nails. Yeah, they're center drilled, so there's a hole right through the middle. I don't know what I'm going to do with those yet, but you know, that's what hoarders do, right? You buy stuff that you don't know what you're going to do with. So then I have pink. I'll dump them all out, and then we'll just put them back in one bag. Aqua. And then light teal. So I don't know. I don't know which one's aqua and which one's light teal. They're so close. Like one's just a little more green than the other one. So there are the four colors. Again, this stuff goes kind of quickly on their site because it's so nicely priced. So these might not be available anymore. But they might have stuff that I didn't see, and you might get some stuff that I missed out on. So next, I bought a bunch of not a bunch, but a couple packs of their Czech bellflowers. These have like a silver patina on them. There are so many things on this list that okay, so this is pressed glass flowers, 7 by 5 millimeter jet antique chrome. Very cool. And then those were 99 cents for 20 of them, and then they were 30% off. So then I also got them in this color, and that's just jet, but they have a nice luster. Let's see. I got... Oh, this was a thank you that came in my order. So it was 3 bags, I think, of some teeny, I think 3 or 4 millimeter crystals. So I thought that was cool. Sometimes they send spacers, sometimes they send some charms. This time it was a bunch of vine cones, which I think that was awesome. You can use these as spacers if you don't really do a lot of bead weaving or anything, which I don't. I'm trying to use more beads as spacers instead of just metal. So that's going to be a challenge that I'm challenging myself to in the future. So I got red, purple, and pink. Ooh, I got these adorable butterflies. I want to say they were 99 cents a pair. I don't have them in front of me, or the price in front of me. Aren't these a cute, cute, cute? So these are, I got 2 sets because one I like just like this is silver, and then one I wanted to patina or enamel. So once I get to them, who knows when that'll be. Hopefully, once I get this room together, I'll be crafting and beading more often. We have these. I don't know what these are called. Synthetic turquoise leaf pendants, bronze patina. These were $2 or $1.89 minus 30%. They're so pretty. Love the detail with the patinas. Those are so neat. Perfect for earrings if you wear earrings, or bracelet charms, or necklace pendant, small necklace pendant. Next, I got a bunch of these table cut glass flowers. I'm going to be showing you these for a little while. So, I think these are called Topaz Picasso 16 millimeter. I don't think I knew when I bought them that they were see-through, but I'm really loving them. Topaz is my birthstone. My birthday's next weekend, so I'm super excited. My mom's coming to visit me. We're gonna do some sightseeing while she's here. So then I got, I really don't know which colors these are because I got several different ones, but these look like cobalt. They're really pretty. Oh, those are really pretty. You can see cute, cute, cute little earrings made from those. And then we've got like cornflower blue. I didn't know if I had these, so I don't think I did. Or denim. They've got some nice like denim stone color in the middle. Love those. Let's see. Ooh, I got some pressed glass leaves because you guys know I love them. Don't know what the heck I'm going to do with them, but I got them in a few colors. Let's see. I got those and maybe just 2 colors. If I find more in here, I'll let you know. But I got them in these really cool dual colors. So it's like green and turquoise or turquoise clear, whatever. You guys can see the color. These are really cool. And then like turquoise and yellow or turquoise and cream. Those are really neat. So one was called multi-teal and one was turquoise tan. Okay. I got more of these crystals that were in the last Bargain Bead Box monthly subscription because I really liked them. Just green, like an apple green with the luster. And if you know anything about my channel, you know I love toggle clasps. I already have these, so I just picked up some more. They're triangles. Really good for like the more tribal looking stuff. Necklaces, bracelets, whatever. Love those. I love the detail on those. And then I got these because I bought silver before and then they had gold afterwards. So I went back and got the gold ones. They have little cute little roses on them. Love those. My friend Julie came over today for the first time. Yesterday and today were the first time I've had people at my new house. And she taught me how to make a certain bracelet. And so I'm going to keep practicing. And then I'm going to show you guys. And we played with my beads today. It was a lot of fun. So, ooh, these are really pretty. It's like an aqua table cut flower. Ooh, I like those. Kind of, they're not fully, they're kind of translucent almost. Very neat. I love that color. It's such a pretty color. And then this is very similar, but more blue. I like the luster that's on the part that's not table cut. That's pretty cool. I bought more of these agate beads because I really liked how they looked when they were in the last Bargain Bead Box, but there weren't enough for what I needed, so I wanted more. I love that. Really love that. I got these table cut hearts in lime green. They're so yummy. So yummy. And you know what? I showed you 2 different pressed flowers. And I said one was jet, but this one has to be jet because these are really black. I don't know. Pressed flower. So I had jet chrome. Oh, and the other ones were metallic hematite. So these must have been, this version was metallic hematite, and these are the jet black. So these are just regular black flowers. Perfect. Those are perfect for like Halloween projects too. They could be hats. Witches' hats. Some more table cut glass flowers. Loving those. These are like a navy or really dark royal blue. And then I got some agate in 2 sizes in hot pink. So I bought 8mm and 10mm. Oh my gosh, they're so yummy. Look how sparkly. So yummy. And then we have them in 10mm. I love that white. And the reason I ended up getting these is because I really, really liked the red ones I got from them about a month or so ago. They were kind of a little disturbing looking because they looked like blood, but I really liked them, and so I decided to get the hot pink. And then I also got the green. Did I get the green in both colors? Yeah, I did. Or both sizes, excuse me. So they're a little different from each other. This one has more white, but I really like how the white plays off of the green. I don't like agates that have a lot of the like clear look, but I really like that bright white next to it. And then I got these. These seem to be more green all over, and that's fine. That's totally fine. I like them. So neat. I don't know what the heck I'm going to use them for, but they're so pretty. Okay, and then I got a bunch of these little, I think they're 4mm melon beads. Yeah, so they're about 4.7 inches. Got a bunch of different colors of these. So let's see. Ooh, okay, so I got like this periwinkle, the purple, like a mustard, this turquoise one that's like really cool. It's a bunch of different colors mixed in the glass there. I got these that are like more like a lustery turquoise, and I got these blue ones. But this is a weird color. And on the screen it's more blue, but it's kind of, it's like I guess it's like a cornflower blue color. It's a little bit of purple in there. And then I think I see one other color. Oh no, I've got two other colors here. I've got orange, like a burnt orange rusty color. Go browns, that's what these look like. And then, another like green turquoise version. Very cool. Love all those. Those are perfect spacer beads. I used to go crazy for melon beads. Although, when I was buying those, I don't think I was realizing that they were 4mm, but that's still great. I got these leaves. I didn't have these in my last haul. I don't think I saw them on the site. These are Picasso. I got some more table cut glass flowers, one set in red. So pretty. Those are stunning. And then I also got them in turquoise, of course. So like a flat out turquoise color. I love these little baby flowers. They're so pretty. Oops, I'm dropping them. Sorry. So pretty, and they have like a luster on them. Those are gorgeous. And then the last kind of bead that I purchased were these, they're called Fizzgig bumpy spacer beads. They're 6mm, and I got them in a bunch of different colors. Last time I think I only got them in one color just to see what they would look like, but they were marked down to $1, so I ended up getting 2 of each color that they had left that I didn't already have. So this is interesting. Okay, these colors are so different. So these look very similar, but one has copper accents and one has gold. And we've got the green, we've got like a yellow with red. Maybe I only bought one of this one because I'm not seeing a second one anywhere. Okay, maybe I only got one of these. Maybe there was only one available. And then I love this blue. That blue is amazing. So thank you so much for watching. Check them out. Oh, I guess I must have bought these too. Little reindeer. Aren't those cute? Perfect for Christmas and winter. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. She's always cute, guys. And then check them out. I'll leave the links below for the subscription and for the store. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your night. Bye-bye. Happy Thanksgiving, Goldie. You say happy Thanksgiving? Are you snuggled because it's cold outside? Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope you have a happy and safe holiday. Bye-bye.